Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making my green cheek conure a playground. I'm starting off with this indoor pet potty that I purchased at Ross for $10, and I did wash it and let it air dry. Next I will be adding different toys to the grass area as well as a bowl that she will use as her bird bath. Each week, I will continue to introduce new items to her playground until it looks like a real playground. After I finish placing all the items on the grass area, I will be right back. Right here, I'm pouring the water into her bowl so I can get her attention, and maybe she'll get over here, but I know this is going to be a process because this is something new. So here we go. She got onto my finger willingly and flew right back to her perch. So now I see this is going to be easy. This is not going to be easy, so now I'm going to use one of her wooden toys as a perch because I'm scared she might bite my finger. Okay, here we go. We're going to try it with the perch, and as you can see, she keeps knocking the perch away. So next thing is going to be trying a treat. She wants the treat, but she don't want that perch. She wants me to just give her the treat, and I'm not going to give it to her. She wants the treat. She's going to have to go over there to her playground and give it a shot. So we actually went through this for a good 20 minutes. So I stuck the treat in the bowl. And by the way, the bowl have two sections. I put it in a little small section on the side. That way it wouldn't get wet. And I'm still trying to get her over there with the perch, and she'll step on it. Okay, there she go, because she wants that treat. And here she goes again. Flew back to her cage. And guys, sometimes it takes a little more patience when introducing your pet to something new. Okay, finally, after all of the back and forth, I got her to get onto the perch to go over there to get her treat. She finally realized the only way she was going to get that treat is if she went over there to her playground. And there she is, she's eating it. And now she sees that it's safe and it's, it's okay to be over there. So she's eating her treat, and when she gets done with her treat, she decides to play in the water. And I'm gonna let you guys watch for a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I just want to give you guys a closer look at her playground. And she's just playing in the water right now, testing the water. As soon as she would jump in and take her bath. And I want to thank you guys for joining me on this video. And I would like for you to join me every Saturday for Green Cheek Conure Fun videos. And thank you for watching. Continue to watch the video to the end, and I will see you next time. Have a nice day.